this is Feras. Today is the 13th of November. It's 2 p.m. Nevada. Uh, Tuesday 2018. In the previous video we did two calls for website designers in New Yorker. One was voicemail and the other one was gatekeeper. This is the core result. We did stop on the idea of building website designs a little bit. Here's somebody building website design. We build website design. We build website. This is a designer, and there's something going on. That's good. That is the difference of the teacher from a teacher to a teacher. What is that? Thank you very much for asking that question. First of all, we have academics, and their domain is, this is academic, their domain is BSc. Why we have that? Their domain is BSc, MSc, this is their domain, and PhD. Okay. Second, we have professionals. We have the pros. They have domains. Okay. For example, I have a domain. This is my domain, MCSD, by Microsoft. Yep, I didn't take the exams. No, I will not do that. There's MCP. There's MVP. There's ACCA. As you can see, these words here are domain. Why they use that? They use the three-letter thing. Okay, when you say, I'm going to build a business. Okay, pick 3 letters. Like what? Like, do you see IBM thing? Like, here's IBM. IBM stands for something, huh? It's a computer, right? Okay, Asus. You will say, Asus. You will say Acer. You will say HP. You will say what? LG. I don't know. You will say what? You will continue with this. Good. So what they do that? It's called a domain. Why? They make living with that. Okay. Then we have business owners. Like, we have the boring process. Okay, that's it. This will make it fun. Now, what is this? Like, what is this? Why we have academics? Why we have pros? Academic on what? Academic on production. Professional what? Professional on production. That's it. Why we have them indoor? Well, we have them indoor. Mastermind group. Group application. What do you mean by that? Here's the leadership. Here's the leadership. Okay, what is leadership? You are telling me leadership? What is leadership? Okay, in the previous video we did make calls, right? I did speak and talk, right? This one making live calling. This one I don't know. Okay. Like, I did upload it anyway. I did make calls, 2 calls, right? 2 calls. Okay, if you said listen for us, you did make 2 calls. Okay, equal $0 and I will pause. I will say yes. Yes. What do you want? I'm a leader. Do you see this? Yes, I'm a leader. Okay, listen for us. 2 calls. What he's doing? He's doing that. 2 calls equal $0. I say maybe. I don't know yet. I say maybe. This call, like this video here now. Like, what do you feel about it? Maybe, I don't know. I can control the activity, but I can't control the result. I'm not going to control the result. Why? Because I'm helping people. I'm figuring out whether I'm a help now or not. Why is that? No. PhD here. Listen, I'm a help. Bro. Listen, here's my work and here's me. Maybe. Okay, what is the difference here? Well, the difference here is doing things right and here doing the right thing. Okay, mastermind group, business, blah blah blah. Here's business. Here's business. Okay, here's a business. Business need a leadership. Why we need a leadership? Oh well, they are going like they are the leaders. They are the one here. They like. And he said here. He said this one who said maybe. He said, listen, $0. Oh, this is a leader. Other will say, okay, $1 per year, like per year. This is my basic. Okay, here's one, like you will hear. Do you see this one? This one, $1 per month, per year. And he said $1 per year. This is what he said. Okay, we have others. We'll say, okay, do you see, man? Go fuck yourself. It's $0. Have like, who's that? President of the United States. $0. Like, but to be honest, he did. Like, he did. Is that the White? Like, do the White House still have any money? The financial. No, they have nothing. Okay, like he said $0, and yeah, he said that. But it's true, but in another location, it's not. Oh. Well, luxury to have him as a president. Yeah, luxury. Like having that smart teacher around you, like having that smart teacher around you, like you should be writing him thank you letters for being a billionaire these days. Why? I will annoy him until I have this knowledge from him. You already know it. Ah, yeah, I know it. I don't know you. I don't care. I want him like a thank you letter. Okay, just a thank you letter. I don't like him. Realistic. Why? He's weak. Now, leadership. Good. Okay, leadership. What is leadership? When you say, okay, this person is a leader, like he teach, this one is a leader. Well, he accepts results. He have the willing to accept the result. You see this? Okay, maybe. You see this? Like if somebody said, okay, maybe. Okay, maybe $0. Okay, now what? Now get back to this view here. PhD, listen, $1 per year. He will say no. MS, do you know who I am? Okay, I don't care who you are. MCSD, Feras, listen. CSD, how much? Oh, how much? He said he want to put a label on me. He want to put a label on me. MVB, how much per hour? Did you get that thing? I said maybe, and I said he want to put a label on me, or MVP, he want to put a label on me. No. Okay. Mastermind group, good ideas. Okay? Good ideas. Okay? Good ideas. Listen, Feras, $0, you are going to learn something. Well, yeah, go fuck yourself. And now I start things myself and I learn things and I'm not interested. I hate that UK kid. I like the go like it's not like timing thing. Yeah. It should be like here's something and there's some and I said that word. Yeah, it's a little bit timing thing. Okay, he said, okay, listen, you would learn something new here. Like here's Google and there. No, I'm not interested. Why? Because you are not the Chinese now. Here's the Chinese and they have IDs. They have IDs and being tested. Now I can analyze it. Like I can have that opinion and I can have this good idea now. Okay. Well, I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. Okay. The boring process. Okay, the boring process thing. We call it the boring process thing. Why we call it boring process thing? just a second. Here's somebody who they took the mission of helping sales agents and marketing and public relation. Okay, this team, and he said there's three type of like this because of three reasons. Where first one we have academics, you see this, then we have pros, and I started to say domains, domains, domains. Okay, and I said okay, good ideas, good ideas. What is the start point of a website? The start point of a website is somebody in communication. They are sending and they are receiving. I don't know, there's something there. Okay, the start point was a good idea from somebody to create a computer, and that computer is sending and other computer is receiving. Here's somebody did type something, that computer did print something, that's it. Just a second, somebody did type something, so a computer here did print something. That's it. Here's the bridge. Here's the agent here, and here's the agent now here. Here's somebody talking, here's somebody listening. Communication. Why is communication money? Communicating the mission. Done. This is the financial part. Setting goals is communicating some like 100 goals. Meeting 50 person. 10 meeting per day. Each meeting that was this amount of money. Okay, we call it boring process a little bit. Why we call it boring? Like why they describe business as boring process? Why they describe that? Okay, here's a business and it's a boring process. And here's an academic. He said, okay, I was excited to have this. I was excited to do this. Okay, I was like, this is my blah blah blah. And here's a business saying, okay, it's boring process. You describe it as boring, really boring process. Any activity of these people, like this one here, is going to the boring process, the making living process. Why every day? Why every minute? Why every second? Why is the funny part? Where's the funny part? Okay? It's not boring. The learning, the helping. Here's learning or helping. I'm helping this person. Oh, I did change his life. God, that was good. That is the funny part. Like, oh, this is something I did. This is the value. Okay. What else? Helping is good. Learning. Now, what is the difference? Now, what? No. Just a second. Academic is learning. No, they are not. Professional is learning. No, they are not. These people are learning experience. But what did teach them? Here's a professional. What did teach this professional? Where he did have that science from? Okay, PhD is a scientist. We call PhD as a scientist. Okay, you can. Here's a PhD. This is a scientist. Here's his paper. Here's these things. He's a scientist. No, he's not. Come on. He's a PhD and he's not science. No, he's not. Here they were like, here's a PhD. Okay, how many year of experience? Well, 2 years. Give him 2 years. Yeah, give him. Otherwise, he have to go to the market. Ah, yeah, he have to go to the market to learn. Learning what? Experience. What experience? Like, here's a financial teacher. Okay, this one will go for teaching students every day and blah blah blah, and he's teaching. Okay, and here's a financial teacher. Here's a financial teacher. Okay, this one will teach and do or here's somebody here, IBA. I think IBA, something like that. This is another domain. Do you see why they use this is domain? This is selling. Okay, this is a business, IBA. Okay, or this one in business analysis. Okay, this one in business analysis. What is the difference between this one and this one? This business analysis 10 years. of experience. And this one here, PhD, what did he see? Come on, PhD, what did you see? I did work for banks. I get from here. I work. No, I have. Here's CMA. Here's CPA working for bank. What is the difference between you and CPA, or a CMA, or a CFA, or a business analyst? What is the difference between? Well, he's experienced. I'm not. Well, I do work here. He did pass that exam. Oh, there's another exam for you. Oh, okay. Now here, this person here. What is his exam? My exam today. What was the result? $0 US? Yes. This is my exam. What is the label? What I will earn as a label? Leadership. Okay, what is the reward here? Well, okay, yearly $0 US. If you said okay, your basic is $0 US, what is the income here? What do you have here? I don't have basic. I do have passive income. Yeah, I do have passive income. What is the difference between basic and a passive income? Well, here you decided to give me a price. Here's the price for your value. Okay? But here it's a reward. What is the reward here? Well, this amount of money. What is this amount of money? Well, I don't know. Like, I would say, I want this amount of money. I would say, okay, I want this amount of money in my life, and I will have it. I would say, I want this amount of money, and I will have it. I would say, I want this amount of money, and I will have it. This amount of money, and I will have it. How you are going to have it? Okay, very simple. Okay, let's get real here. Let's get real. Let me tap this. Okay, who did, like, show me somebody can do it. So don't tell me something from your head. Good. And why this, like, and bring me to website designers. Okay, my Ismet life. Billions. Do you see this? When I said billions and billions, okay, MetLife. I'm not gonna bring Trump to the table, to the webinar here, or this video, but I will bring MetLife. Trump is another story, amazing story, wonderful story to tell, but not that good president. Weak. New people. Keep talking. Start doing. MetLife in New York. Yeah, you are open to business. Yeah, wonderful paperwork, wonderful. Yeah, process, yeah. I'm his coach. Now, oh, this is the building. This is the main building. Why is this? International Style Skyscraper? No, MetLife building. Give me something better. Where's that query? I'm looking for that query. MetLife Insurance Agency in New York. Yeah. Here's the query again. Okay, give me something real. Okay, don't give me something. Don't give me bullshit. Okay, good. Here's a business. This is a business design. Good. What is, like, if you said business design, this means there's people here. Okay, what do we have here? We have agents, we have leadership, we have administration, we have accountant, we have systems, we have legal, we have a mission, we have submissions. Okay, mission, leadership, team. What is the team here? Well, team for communication, team for sales agents, life insurance agents, marketing, there's some public relation, there's some systems, there's some accounting system, there is the sales system they have, and they have the system for creating the proposal, the engagement process for the dialogue. They have proposal here, and they have what? they have legal limited liability, they sell their license, they sell their this thing. What else? Like, what is this? He said he said this thing. He said they sell the, like, here's a business and you can sell the brand, the brand. What do they call it? Selling the, like, licensing this thing, licensing this. They have agency. Do you see the agency thing here? Yep, they have that. Now, okay, you said the difference between, why this thing is 0000 again? Why this animation here? Why this animation by Windows? You have this animation 0000. Okay. You said numbers. How will you make these numbers? We say goals. I said okay, financial goals. Boring process. You said financial goal. Like, first time you will have the first million, right? This is how they describe it. 200, 2000. Like, if I said this is the equation, new customers. There's a new customers, new customers, new IDs, new customers, new IDs, new customers, new IDs, new customers. Then what? Well, then money issue. Then money issue. Where's money issue? Here's MetLife. They have money issue. Yes, the owner here or they have money issue. They have money problem. Why is that? You see here as this is a company. Now what they are going to do with the money? They are going, like, it's like today is the first of, like, it's November. These people here in June, in July, these people will suffer from financial issue, from having money issue. These people here, the accountant will dance because they have money. Let's get back here. Okay, website designers have issue creating a page. These people here, everyone here have issue creating one page, an empty page. Everyone here have an opinion on that page. One page. Here's a page, it's empty. We ask the why, and here's the how. This is another situation. Okay? If I'm going to ask you the why, okay, I'm doing that, like, here's, let me draw something. Okay? But let's follow basic. Okay? Here's the basic. Without knowing anything. Okay? Just a second. I don't know anything. Okay? Now let's say this is the 100. This location here is the 100%. 100%. This is 100%. Okay? This is achieving the 100 mark. Do you see? If you said here, here's the academic, or this is the A plus. Here's the A plus. Here's your A plus. Okay, here's your A plus thing, or A. I don't know if you have A plus. If you have A, I don't know. Come on, give me the positive thing. Here's the A plus. Here's the A plus. Okay, or A. I don't know. Your grading system. Okay, your grades. Good. Good. Now I will divide this into two things here. Now this is, I'm doing things, I'm doing the right thing, this green thing, and from here I will say okay, this is 80. I will say okay, 80. Here's 80. Here's 80%. Where's the percent? Here's 80%. Okay. Okay. What is this? Well, if I said it list 12 regions. List 12 regions. Minimum. This is the question. List 12 regions. And I said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 11, and 12. Okay? Control and all. Make this smaller. Okay. I listed 12 regions. What is my grade now? My grade is 80%. This is my grade. Okay, in other words, this is B. I did have a B here. All I did have, this is 80. All I did have is B. Here's my B. Okay, you did have B. Okay, good. Now to this point, I did have the B grade. Here's the course. I did listed 12 regions. Just only like that. Yeah, 12 regions. Okay, and here's the rest of it. Okay, here's the rest of it. This thing here. Okay. Yeah, you get the idea. Yeah. Anyway. Okay. What is this? This is doing things right. Doing things right. Okay. This is doing things right. What is that? How? This is the Y listed 12 regions. Now show me the okay. What is the plan of a website? I will say idea. I will say design. I will say structure. I will say design. I will say animation. And I will say programming. Okay. Animation, design, structure. Now everybody here, I say HTML5. Design, JavaScript. CSS5. CSS3. C3. Okay, CSS3. Animation, JavaScript. JavaScript. There's Java and JavaScript. JavaScript animation. Okay. Now can I have this smaller? No, I don't think so. Let me have this bigger. And programming. Well, we have Microsoft. We have NetBeans. We have Microsoft Vivo Opinion. Microsoft. We have NetBeans Vivo. Beans. We have Bell. We have Python. We have I don't know how to type it. Python, and we have more. Blah 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 more. Okay? What is the difference between this? I don't care. Okay, this is doing things right. Good? Good. If you did meet somebody who's talking Microsoft, or somebody talking NetBeans, or somebody talking Bell or Python, or somebody talking Visual Basic, do you see where they are? They are here. And if you said somebody talking HTML2, HTML1, HTML5, do you see what they are? They are in structure. And if you did see somebody talking IDs, see somebody talking IDs, who's there? They are here. They are here. They are here. Okay? These people are talking IDs. Good. The point that I started to have an idea here, the point that I started to have an idea, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 individual. Good. This is me alone, individual. Day in and day out. I will describe this day in, and I'll describe this day out. Okay. If you describe me as like this person is a professional now, or leadership thing, okay, I will say I will say here at this point I will say 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, daily 6. I'll describe this efficiency program. Here's an efficiency program. Okay, now what and where? Day out is ready. This thing day out is written. Okay, so here's day out, and this day out is written. Where's day out? Before the mission. Like here's mission. Okay, just a second. Mission ended. Okay, good. You did give yourself 80% as a grade because listing 12 regions. Yes, we call this how. We call this the how. This is the why. I know the why. I do operate. I will start tomorrow. Okay, here's my day. Here's my day. This was my day. No, this wasn't my day. The previous one of this was my day. Like where what this was my, like here's my 12 regions. Okay, and I did listed my regions here, and I started to work. What I did this thing. This is why I'm here. Okay, why you are in the business? To make money. I want to make money. Why I want to help you. I want to take care of myself. I want to go to this trip. I want to do this. I want to do that. This is my reasons. It's up to me. Here's my reasons. Okay. Good. Here's my ideas. Okay. Here's my money. Good. Now the execution of this thing here. Okay. We did have these domains. Do you see this? Okay, I have my own domain. Here's me. I have my own domain. I have my own IDs. I have my own domain. Now these people here started to have a domain. Okay, just a second. Hold it. You said leadership to the point. Yes. I said $0 to the point. Yes. $0 to the point. 2 calls. Yes. Okay, and you said MetLife and you, yes. Okay, now here this is production. Okay. You did speak about MetLife, right? Yes. What is he going to do? He's an agent. He's going to do prospecting, presenting, and sales. Presenting, sales. That was the map here. This is the map. Anybody here is doing that. Prospecting, presenting, and sales. I didn't say anything else. Okay. That was MetLife. This is what they do. They are looking to help people. They find people. Some of them are interested or not. They do the proposal. They leave. They make a sale. They didn't make a sale. Okay. How they live? What they are in commission. That team is in commission. Okay. How much they make money? These people here, the team here, they make money. Like these ones here, really make money. It's not a game. Like okay, they make money. Okay. Good. Let's get back. This is a real example, real idea example. Good. Now here I did have an idea. Here's my idea. I can type it. Okay. Here's the ideas thing. I have one good idea. Maybe no. I say this is a good idea. Okay. Where is this located? Here. From my efficiency program. This is something I do. Okay. This is something I do. What do you do? I do prospecting, presenting, and sales. Here. Okay. I need sales system. Is that a good idea or a bad idea? Let's test it. Okay. Structure, design, animation, programming. we can test that idea. Okay, I want to help my sales. That is the idea. Website. Okay, who's the one who is going to help me with that? Website designer. Website designer. Why it's a website? Well, website. It's virtual. Why it is different? Why this person doing this? Why this person doing that? Why this person doing that? And it's just an A4 page. Okay, it's just an A4. Why? Listen, it's just an A4 page. Just an A. You said it's just an A4 page. Yes, it's just an A4 page. It's just an A4 page. Just like that. Just like that. Why it is different from a person to another? Why? It's the same plan. It's the same plan. And I said it's because we have 1, 2, and 3. I said we have academics, we have professionals, okay, and we have business owners. Okay. This one have an idea. Each one of these people have an idea. These people, like, their idea about a website, like, here's an academic. What is a website? He have an idea. If you said, okay, each one here, when you mention website, each one have an idea. Okay? Each one here have an idea about website. Academics have no experience. Professional have no experience. No experience in what? These people create websites. They have no experience. How? Well, they have no experience. Why? Well, they didn't have sales skills. This person here doesn't have sales skills. This person here doesn't have sales skills. This person here have sales skills. Okay, he know what he want. This person here, he know what he want. This is a business owner, and there's more than one. Okay, there's more than one type. Like, okay, this is a business. No, this is not a business owner. Why? Because he is here. Well, business owner is the person that if I did enter the business today, start working, mission ended by 5 p.m. and I left. 5 years from today, I did come back, start working, 9 a.m., 5 p.m. I did left, like I'm out. Okay, here's 5 years. Nobody will ask me where you have been, or the business is like, there's no business here. That you don't own this business. No, I own this business. 9 to 5 a.m. today, I'm here. Okay, I'm not gonna. 5 years. I did come back. 9 to 5 a.m. I'm here. I did take my money and I left. I'm a leader. Do you get the idea here? When the difference here is idea is like, listen, I want a basic. I don't understand you. When I say that to an academic, will not understand that. A professional will not understand that. Okay, listen. He did show from 9 to 5. He did show. While doing things right. He did show from 9 to 5 one day, and he did left 5 years. And he did show another after 5 years. He did show up from 9 to 5. Okay, he's going to come tomorrow. Is the boss tomorrow? Is he doing things right? We don't know. He's the master. We don't know. So there's the manager here. Like, here's the manager. He's doing this time management thing. He's operating here. I didn't do anything bad. I didn't damage my work. I did provide a time management system. Here's time management system. Management system. I did hire BO and done. I will go. I will leave. Everybody doing, like, I did. It's not just me. Like, what the first day I did up here. I did prospecting and presenting and sales, but I did hire like 50. Like, I did train that day 200. I did introduction like 200 a new employee. If you said I did make something wrong, no, I didn't. 200 new employee. That's it. I trained them that day. Why? I did provided them with a custom proposal also. Custom proposal. I did provide a custom proposal. Here's the system. Here it is. If you did look here, if you want to MetLife, you find the computer here. Here's a custom proposal. Here's coaches available. So you know your why, and there's the how. Yeah, and there's the mastermind. Yes, hiring view. Yes, commission. Everything is going well. And he didn't come back. See you, he said, see you 5 years from today. Why? Because, like, he said these words. Well, now I'm the stupid one here. One here, and left. He left the building. Now I'm stupid. The stupidest one here. I'm the stupid here. That's it. And he left. He said these words. This is the boss. He will fire us. So what he did, he did doing the right thing. Doing the right thing. Doing the right thing. That is a leader. Okay. Let's get back to today. It's 2:45 p.m. November 13. 2 calls. $0 US. I would say maybe. I don't know. What you are going to do? Prospecting, presenting, and sales. Do you mean yes? Teaching. If you're looking at here, if you are zooming here to find a new employee, this will be teaching. You will train them. Just a second. Let's get back a little bit. We said academics, professional. What is the difference between this person and this person? Well, this person, after a training, he will become this person. With what? With tests. We will give them their domain. Here's the domain. And this one, academic, well, with what? Well, lectures. This one, training. What is the difference? We provide what is the difference? Like, here's a PSC material. Here's a professional material. What is the difference? Well, you change the material. Here's the book. Here's another book. Huh? Here's a book. You did buy this book. The university did tell you to buy this book. I said buy this book. University did say this one here. When he did introduce you to the class, he said our material is this book. And the coach here, our material is this book. This is $20 and this is $20. This is $100 and this, even this will be like, this one will be like a little bit like, you know, there $5, $25, $20 exam. Take it and go. What if the doctor here or the PhD, when he did enter the class, he said buy that material, buy the professional material, okay, we will become pros. Listen, I'm a student at the university. If the PhD, when he did enter the class and he said buy the material for the professionals, you are academics, what is going to happen? I will become an, like, I don't attend these classes, you know what I mean? I will go, I will read the books and I will take the exam. I will become a professional. Yes, you'll become professional. If I did take the exams here, I will become a professional. Yes, here's a PhD, here's a professional. Who's better? Professional. This is a professional on production, and that academic. You need more years to with it. Yes, I will do that. Hold it. Universities, materials, new teachers, or trained teachers. We have something called professional on production. Yes, you have professional production. Add sales skills to them. What is going to happen? We have businesses. We have a business. Why? Because his sales skills. Add to that marketing. Add to that public relation. Each thing. He's here in Bain. What? Marketing. He's here in Bain. What? Public relation. He's here in Bain. Internet. He's here in Bain. What? He's here in Bain. What? More money. There's a lot of money here. That is his Bain. Education, experience, like his education, his experience, and excessive cash. What did happen? Do you mean that the decision here and the decision here? Yes, the miss here, he did choose the academic material. Like, what is the difference? Here's a material. Wait a second. Here's a material. Cost and numbers, like $20, maybe 100, maybe 100. You can find it free on the internet. Also, yeah, you can find the professional material also on the internet for free, marketing purposes. So why these people here? Well, it's been 200 years, 300 years, and they're making a living. Why would they do that to us? Well, that is believing, and you believe on your teachers. I did have that lecture to understand this thing. The word is believing. You believe. You did believe in this system, so you did follow them. You didn't question them. And here also you did believe them. You didn't question them. Like, if you want to have the label, the right label for you, well, you are in the mastermind group. Listening. You are practicing the mastermind. You are not in the group. You are no. You are in the you are not. Why? You didn't write your list, your wife list. You didn't operate on this program, okay? And you are like, how? I want to be in that group. How? Well, it's very simple. Where's your friend that you really find as a smart? He's my friend, and each time I meet him, I have new ideas. Give me a practice. Give me a practice on that. Here's that. Here's Alibaba.com. Here's my. I don't know. I don't know you. here's that thing. Okay. Here's the okay. Just a second. Let me show you that. Here's this thing. Start to have ideas. Let me look here. Where's the board? These things start to have ideas. Okay, if I have a friend here, listen. Okay, do you see this? What is this? I don't know. Oh no. Oh, I should have something now.
I should have some good idea. Looking into these things here, I should have some idea. Actually, I should be here. Here's the notepad. I should be see. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give me an idea, my man. My mind, give me an idea. Good. Something that I do. Something that I do. I have to improve it better. Okay? If this something that I do, like if this something I do, and I'm looking for something here. Now this is the mission. Like if you did see this is access to the mission. Good? This is access to the mission. Like here, these things, we call this access to the mission, and we're going to create a product. We are from here. Okay, here's the mission. You don't have access to Facebook in the company. Now you are telling me creating products and that thing. Yeah. So the group thing here, the mastermind group thing, is nobody control it. Yes, nobody control it. Okay, you can be in a part-time business. We call it part-time business. Like how to start having that group. It's a part-time business. I can hire people. Yes, you can hire people. Like to do things. Yes, you can do that. Like, let me get back a little bit. To this question. Let me get back this situation. Universities, we call them. The label is their label. Like, what is their label? Well, their label is academic body. This one, professional body. What is the difference between this and this one? Well, the difference between this one and this one is this one will request you to have a little bit of like 90 hours, 80 hours academic level. There's some academic here thing, like 80%. Like you say, here's an academic book, and or academic books. I would say, okay, 90 hours from this location. Okay, then we will have this amount of hours as experience thing, doing things. Like here's a book. Here's this book. If I did added 3, 4, 5 chapters, like here's 24 chapters. I did added 5 chapters to this book. This book will become, like this thing will become professional. Yes, you'll become professional production. Really? Yes. Why they don't do that? Well, you can. They can. Nobody say they can't. But listen, this PhD, what is the difference here? Well, it's called, like, this PhD should be a professional to teach that. Should be a professional to teach. Yes, this one should pass the exams here. Like, for example, should pass the exam here to teach that material. I can read it, I can buy it. Yes, but he's not allowed to teach it. But you can type it for him. You can, like Bill Gates and Microsoft and these, like, if he started to type things, you will read it. I love people kissing his ass to become an employee. Yeah. Yup. Anyway, so that is their domain. That is their thing. Who did that to us? Well, that will be Ford. Who did that? Everybody. When 8 years ago? Why he started employment thing? Why people accepted it? Well, if we are greedy, this is Ford. Then what did happen? Well, everybody here in the map. This is what really happened. Everybody here in the map, they started copycat. Oh, this thing is working. And you will say, okay, this copycat do work. But this copycat, where's that? Where's that thing? Like, at some point, they did copycat somebody, like, a website design in New York. They started to copycat like they started like to become self-employed, like copycatting, but not really the thing. Why? Do you see they have a location on the map? See this? They have a location on the map. They shouldn't have that. But MetLife have that. Well, it's up to them. Do you mean there's no address? Like if you said, okay, here's let me click this one. If you said there's no, yeah, there's no address, doesn't exist in that. Do you see this address? This is the copycat. Do you see this? Copy address. Do you see this? This is copycat. And do you see this? This is copycat. Do you see this? This is also copycat. Why? What is this? This is a tactic. Why is this? This is access on these people. Let me get back a little bit. When I say okay, this is access. Here's the phone number. This is access on these people here. The people who do things right. That phone number was access for the leader. Here's the leader. He did pick the phone. He did call these people here, the ones who do things right. He did call them. He did ask him the question. They did answer it. Okay? Somebody did answer it wrong. What's going to happen? He will be fired. Like, you did answer that wrong question. Like, they will not give him an F. Like, no, they will fire him. Here's somebody you did home. Here's somebody you did put him on the phone, and you pick the phone and you ask him here. Listen, what is the definition of keyboard? What is the definition of what? Of keyboard? Like, you should answer it. Like, what is going to happen? Like, oh, like he didn't answer the question. He didn't answer the question. Why is somebody creating, like, here's somebody what is the, like, what is this? He should answer that question. Like, give him any question, he will answer it. Like, write the question. What is, like, what is the other side? Here's the mastermind group. What is the other side? It is asking the question. Is somebody asking the question? Who's asking the question? Sales agent. They're really on asking questions. And like, who did teach them these questions? Well, the coach did teach them that. And who did find? Well, I did have a question here. I'd have a question here, and I shared it with them. And like what? For example, what is better than a horse? That would be a car. Yeah, that will be a car. What is that? Imagination. What is the difference between these? What is the difference now? Imagination. We call this imagination. Like imagination, yes. Faith. Huh? We will say, okay, what is that? Burning desire. Desire. This is the picture. Here's picture. Burning desire. This will be the picture. A picture, like, here's somebody, like, here's a horse, but it's going far, but it's not a horse. It's like, it's a box. This is a picture. Faith. Burning desire. Faith. Okay, like, it's the color is red. Faith. Auto-suggestion. Why is auto-suggestion? Auto-suggestion. Why is that? I will provide this service. I will sell it. No, I will sell it to people. Sell it. Do you mean, yes, this will be this is the human being mind. We call it mastermind group. Imagination. We have vision. They have vision. They have vision for 20. He did have the vision for 20, 25, 20, 30, 20, blah blah blah. It's imagination, nothing more, nothing less. How to improve this better? How this will be better? Like, Well, it will be this. Do you imagine this? Like, imagine this. Imagine that. Imagination. Okay, what is going to burning desire? Burning desire. We have that in our mind. Like, okay, you have that in your mind. Anything you did, imagine something better. That is burning desire. This image thing, this picture. You like, okay, here's picture. Like what? Here's an airplane. He started to prototype picture, prototype. On the other hand, we have a prototype. Prototype. We have a prototype. Faith. The prototype nowadays. Now prototype. What is like? It's red. It has red on it. What is that? Well, it's meshing all the UV map, something called UV map. Meshing. I will set it also suggestion. Do you see this here's the auto, like I have lights here, and like here's the auto, like I will sell it. Testing will be done. Then what? Read the book. 13 steps to riches. Steps to riches. What is this? By Earl Nightingale. Earl Nightingale. By who? By Napoleon Hills. Napoleon Hill. Who's Napoleon Hill? A journalist. Well, like, what is journalist? PR. This is PR field, public relation. PR. Well, he is also in self-development. Where's this is self-development. Like, Andrew Kangry. There's another name. Kangry. World War II and one. I think World War II. This like this book here, World War II. Some president, I did forget his name. Some president. This one was what? He was a president coach, an advisor. Like, can I become an advisor? Yes, in America, anybody can become an advisor. How can I? Anybody. Like, he's an advisor. Like this one didn't advise. This one did give the finger. Like, yeah, that was the direction. I don't know that direction to the sky. Where he said, the sky. And what did happen? They did pay for her. Like, she said to the sky on a bicycle, right? And what was the reward? Like, a lot of money. She said to the president to the sky on the street. Okay, and the reward was a lot of money. She did tell him where to go. Amazing country. Now, let's get back a little bit here. Do you see this line here? This line was in 19, like, started in 19 something. Like, this thing started, like, business thing, and the address started in 1905 or 6. Like, the address thing. Like, we have address. This is address. Business have an address. Here's address. See this address? Before what? Before that, what is happening? Well, people are like, here's the marketplace. Here's everybody here. This one sells chicken. This one, and it's a market. But then started marketing. You see this address? Sending people to this address. Marketing. Or reaching people on this address. Okay, reaching people on this address and then sending them to this address. Why? Because they will have a gift. Then what? We will pay for these people. We will pay for these people. Help. Basic. Then what? If we did pay for these people, okay, we will take care of their. We will take care of them at age 65. Today, go fuck yourself. I don't care. Well, what some application of that? Some companies do have that application. Then what? They started to do what? They started to operate like, okay, here's some amount of your basic to mutual funds. Mutual funds. Then what did happen? Well, mutual funds did that. Like, well, mutual funds is not good, but it doesn't mean like not good. It's say to the street. When 2018, what did happen? Downsizing, blah blah blah, money. What did happen? People are in the street. What did happen? Well, then what is the effect on the market? Not trust. Then what is going to happen? Another collapse. Heavier. How you know that? It's the mutual funds. How you know that? Bad debt. How you know that? Do you see the market? Did you see how people here operating as picking the phone to them is terrifying thing? Having a sales agent talking to them is terrifying. That is the market. Huh? Yeah, they are so afraid. I'm really afraid. What is going to happen? Well, nothing, as usual. What is going to happen? As usual. Every 5 years, like his business close, this business will close. Every 10 years, this business will close. 20 years, this business will close. Who will survive? The one who didn't copycat. Like the one who didn't copy, like following everybody here. Like he's doing it, he's doing. This one will survive. Why? Because he have an imagination. This one have an imagination. This one doesn't have an imagination. This one with an imagination. This one doesn't have an imagination. How? You know that this person have an imagination and that person doesn't have an imagination. Well, if you said I'm going to start a business around somebody and he said you, that person doesn't have an imagination. Where is that available? Between employees. So what is the advice? Don't tell anybody. If you have an imagination, if you have that, don't tell anybody. You will not see them again. You don't want to see them again. It's how it's being described as at the top you are lonely. that is a song, like, yeah, at the top you are lonely. Why? Because these people life will be hammered. Would you like to be with them? Well, I like to be at the top. Okay. What? Forget about it. That is a bad thing to say. Okay? Do you see this address? This is bad. This is expenses. Like this one, he have a marketing team. This one he have digital marketing team or online marketing team. What? People create videos, they create type. Do you see this one? He have sales agent and he have production. Like this one here is people are calling you because you are an expert on the subject, not just the leader. Everybody calling this number because you are here an authority. This is why you have phone number, because you are an authority on the subject. Here's the PhD. This is why this is the theory about domains. This is a PhD. This is a PhD, and it started to be like, okay, listen, they have no experience. We have we have other bodies that provide experience, and okay, what is that? Well, it's like for example, at the top of my mind, technical support by Microsoft. Brand new. Okay, you will call him. Okay, can you help me? What is the idea here? Somebody is helping you. Okay, do you see this number? Toll-free number. Customer service. Okay, but the idea here is somebody there's an inbound calls. When we call them, they're like nothing. So why would you have a phone system? Why would you give access to you? What is the other thing? Meeting. What is the other thing? Meeting. You see this here? Meeting. Meeting. I don't have this. I don't have this. I don't have this. Outdoor meeting. Outdoor meeting. We call that outdoor. Appointment. Outdoor. Where? Within 3 miles. Within 3 miles. 3 miles. He is a doctor and he is within 3 miles. Find him. Which street? Like that's what it is. Access to people who can help you. Here is a doctor and he is within the 3 miles. Like where to look, right, left, up, down, where? Show me with your finger where to look. Good. So what? So making 2 calls. Making the 2 calls. We did call this person here. We have another one here. Mindso web design. Mindso web design. Here's another one. Okay. Did you get the idea why there is more than one website design and that? Because it's a plan. When we have the plan, it's IDs. Okay. And academics have their own ideas, professionals have their own ideas, and business owners have their own ideas. This is my idea. There's some standards, like we can say, okay, listen, here's the standard. Okay, here's the standard. You will have to test an idea. You will have a header, paragraph, what people read, and call to action. In call to action, you will have product features, and you will have footer, and here's customer relation management. Be aware that you started, if you did click here, this is an email. If you added your phone here, you are using a call center. What is the system behind this? Is a contact center. This is a contact center and a human beings, a collection of teams. This is for marketing. Okay, started to talk about it. Okay, I did have that. Okay, and where you are in communication. Why? Because this is the financial transaction. Okay, what after this? Invoice. Like after this, what? Invoice. Or this person is an asset. We call this contact detail an asset. Because what? Because we are going to do some improvement here. Here the improvement. Here they tell me my improvement. You see, this was empty, but because this person helped, I did have the new improvement. He said, listen, do you see this website? It is shitty. Do you know why your website is shitty? Because it's shitty. Okay, what is shitty about it? Like, why is bad about it? Well, do you see this? You shouldn't have a phone call. Like, you should have a call to action. I should have a call to action? What do you mean by that? Well, you should show me what to do. So call to action. Action here. I need action. What to do with this page? I need something. Button. HTML5 or a video. Okay. Here's a business. Here's somebody. Here's copy. This is the copycat thing. This mean to me. They have an address. This mean the team here. They are out. What is that? They are closing soon. Okay, let me study them very fast. Copy paste this. Copy. Paste. Closing soon. Mine so. What do you have here? Come on. Why is this? Why is happening this? Request call. Oh boy, this is bad. What is happening here? Let me see this. What is happening to him? Your small business secret open. Your small business secret. What is that? Website design. Search engine. Book a free phone consultation. This is good. This is what we call back deck. Get in touch. No. Here's the phone. Ah, I thought there's a like when to call you. No, أنا book a free phone consultation. Free phone Web design, search engine optimization, video marketing, and your small business secret weapon. What is that? Talking to you? Talking to you, yes. Start a project. Looking for the best business website? Hire us. Looking for the best business websites. Business websites. Looking for the best marketing virtual place. I don't know, still like same store, startups, lawyers, professional, e-commerce, healthcare, corporate. This is good. Why is this, man? Hey, I am Brett Moret. I found it. Like, do you have a question? I don't know. Do you have a question or something? As a team leader, I'm full of questions. Like, do you see my head here? I'm full of questions. Like, I don't know what is the question to the, like, he's a photographer. Here's somebody with a photo. Like, he's going to take his photo. Okay, here's the mobile, and here's the background here. This is blue now. I believe there's a green thing behind him. Okay, and he did take his photo. You are sales? No, he's team leader. This is production and his team. Oh, what you do? I've been working with for. What do you do? Great choice. Oh, this is the customers. Oh, Monterrier Scooter, wonderful website design. I have been working with for on my website. Several years on your website. I highly recommend several years. Awesome. Since mine sorted exam my website, my traffic improved over 200 in the last 9 months. 200, like, what do you mean by that? Well, if I have over, I don't know. I'm really happy with their web design and SEO work. Search engine optimization. Search engine optimization work. What do, like, let me see that. I'm interested to see that. Huh? Multiple question is SCBS. I don't know. I have no idea what he's doing. Rockets. I've been working with mine for over 15 years, and they always come through for me. Great choice for a small business website design. Gina Cannon. Like, at which Facebook account you take this picture, and this one and this one? Okay, now Google doesn't, like, if you said, okay, here's this person, Google, like, will show you other reviews. It's not the review. Here's the map, and here's the map. Let me get back a little bit. Do you see his reviews? 43 reviews. What a great experience. Now this is good. Oh, it was like 6 months ago, 5. This fellow's good. 3 months ago. Everyone on this 7 months ago, 2 months ago, 5 months ago. Hi Ashley. 2 years ago, 5 stars, 5 stars, 5 stars. 5 stars. This means this fellow's good. No, not satisfied with their services. Team was not professional. Also not have manner to talk with clients. Yep. No months ago. Hi Ashley, thank you for your feedback. However, we can't really verify you as a client. We take customer feedback very seriously. So if you could please get in touch with our manager directly at consular.com so we can get this issue resolved as matter. 9 reviews. Lauren Anna. Thank you for your feedback. We can't really verify you as a client in our database. Is that the response here? Like, do you see how, like, we can't really verify you as a client? Sponsor from the owner, not the customer service. Development. Thanks a lot. Yeah, you did. Yeah, really? I would type like, really? Who's them? Tell me more. I want to listen. Here's my phone number. I will put my phone number here. Response from the owner 9 months ago. Really? We are bad. You're not customer. Go away. He said to her like, you are not customer to type these words here. So why? Thanks a lot. Like he's like pissed off from this review. Hey, beside MetLife, I'm really enjoying. 5, 2 years, 5, 2 years, 3 years, 3 years. Hi, Austin. Canada, great customer service. I came, blah blah blah. I shouldn't say that. It's a great customer. Then no, I shouldn't say that. What is your mind, George Carlin? This is why he's mine. I keep saying customer service, and that was in my mind. If you said he's YouTube and you said who's George Carlin? That late George Carlin. Okay, let's get back to where here. He's positioning them. No, that in Canada. In Canada, experience as customer service. These two customer service. He's a representative and he's a representative. That is really happening, but not to the customer. Like, why not? There's 5 stars. This is the amount. Yeah, 4.8 from 43 reviews. That's what really matter. Most relevant, newest, highest rating, newest. I want to see that new thing 2 weeks ago. Wow, great experience. Thank you for the kind words. Dollars. We are just one call away if you need anything. One call away if you need anything. This should be written by, this word selection should be written by somebody else. Naim. Like somebody who's trained to answer these things, to reply on this thing. Like, I would say thank you so much. Nothing more, nothing less. Wow, like, there's the welcoming call thing. Do you see this? The welcoming thing. I know somebody with a script should type these things. Why? Because this, now, do you see this? Like, should be shared. Do you see here? Doesn't mean anything. Now I'm going for more. Why is that? Well, share. Do you see share? Oh, it's me. Let me see his website. Do you have any share? No, you don't have share. You, thank you very much. Do you have a question? You have a question. Like, do you see? This is, what is this? Like, he's a black fellow. He's touching himself, and he's the white man. He's showing you the donut. This is business, to be honest. It's the cone of experience. Let me see. I can see the heart. Cone of experience. This is the market. Startups. Why here for startups? We have lawyer website design. Like, what lawyer website design? What professional service? What e-commerce? E-commerce, I understand. There's a payment gateway here, and there's a product. There's an e-commerce thing. And healthcare doesn't work. Your tab doesn't work. Here's healthcare. Nothing. Or where is this thing? Here's lawyer. Nothing. Startups. Nothing. Professional. Nothing. Clear pain. You're a small business secret to open. If somebody did type on a medicine, your secret weapon. Tell me about that. Here's somebody, and here's a medicine. Okay, your your small business, your head secret button, your heart secret button, secret weapon, your I don't know. And he said after that, website design, search engine optimization, video marketing. Now video marketing, presentation, powerful presentation. But here's somebody saying video marketing, and there's no powerful presentation here. There's this thing. Smith, web design, of action. Here's YouTube. I don't know, man. NYC General Contractor, complete contracting INC. YouTube. Video marketing, reviews. I don't know, like they have these things. Book a free phone. This is call to action. Call this number. Now what is going to happen? Yeah, this is ducked here. No, it's ugly. And this is a zoom, by the way. Let me get back to 100%. See that? It is not. This is a bad menu. Bad menu. It's really bad menu. And on a mobile, how does this look like? Here's a mobile. Yeah, do you see this space? Boy, this is a really bad menu. Now this is Google, this is Chrome, there's internet, there's Firefox. Why did you use here? Like this is unlisted menu. This is unlisted, like this is unordered list. This thing here. Do you see how? Do you see the dev here? Mindso, helping your business to grow. Mindso. Oh, this was the bane. Here's the. Do you see helping your business to grow? Do you see where's the bane here? Helping your business to grow, 100%. Do you see where I did type it? Here. Unbelievable. And here. Here should be here. Helping your business to grow. Now this is the pain. How? Helping your sales, a new customer. That's it. Period. Anyway, wow, what is this? Like spend 1 hour, 30 minutes. Okay, these videos will be minimized. Like, well, okay, why is this update? We will look to this website. Say, okay, we'll update. That's it. Let's call it. Studying website. Studying website will be. This is the plan. Studying website. Calling. There's a video and there's. If we said I'm doing some telesales, studying the website, deciding update or support, updating this thing or supporting this thing. Okay, and what? And is this website we can use it for marketing or not? Okay, this website can be a marketing thing. Okay, if this marketing, then we will start building some videos. Okay, then what? Well, if we said this will be a great, like, let's talk to this person, this business, then what? Well, maybe the axis here, like this marketing, or now no bait, this bait, the axis is bait, this folder here. What's the different? Well, we will, like, they said, okay, we are interested. Okay, well, that, like, where's that? We said, okay, do you see this folder? Sending this folder to you is mean like send me money. Here's an invoice. I will send you an invoice, and after sending you the invoice, okay, you need to pay for it. here's the access. Okay, I will send you the folder. Here's the folder, here's the password. Here's the first email is the folder, second email is the password. Okay, you can have access on the folder. Did you see the website? Yes, it's local. Okay, now what? Well, this is website development. What next? What to do with this? Host and domain. Do you have a host or domain? Yes, I have host and domain. Do you have FileZilla? Yes, I have FileZilla. Well, upload it. Then what? Okay, download this thing. You have a custom. You have an administration system on your computer. Now what? Your activities as marketing, adding values. Really? Yeah. Really. No, what is your recommendation? Well, my recommendation becoming best-selling author. That is my recommendation. It's a paper, and it's unlimited paper. What do you think now? Okay. So setting website, deciding whether we are going to update it or not, or support. Like for example, do you see this thing here? Support. This one here is update. Yeah, exactly. It's an update. You see here he have first name and email, and he have sign up. 7 free killer marketing tips to get new leads today. 7 free killer marketing tips to get new leads today. Killer. Well, you are killing me, by the way. This will kill me. Let me find him on YouTube. Does he have any work on YouTube? Does he have that? Welcome to the Mind Show channel. The truth in search engine optimization. The truth. Mind Show. How many videos? He have 455. Like, why is this, man? Like, let me see how many videos like that. Like, you have like sort by oldest, like is that like all of this video like 4 days ago, 5 months ago, 5 months ago, 7 months ago. Like, what do you have more? Like home, like all these videos are used. This is his videos. I have that. I don't know how to Mind Show. The truth in search engine optimization. The truth in search engine optimization. The truth. Yeah. Search engine optimization. Now Google means something. Now other search engine do mean something. No. Like he's Google. What is Google? Here's somebody. Here's Google. Here's YouTube. What is Google? What is YouTube? Here's a marketing agent. Yeah. Now let me show you something. Like when you say that, no search engine. When you say that, oh, here's Google. Where is that? Let me show you that. Here's Google. This you. MetLife.com. Let me show you that. Here's Google. MetLife.com. You see? Here's MetLife.com. And here's the internet to them. Do you think they give a shit about Google? Here's MetLife.com. Do you think they give a shit about Google? They have 114 videos. Good? Good. Do you think they care about their
MetLife and
their Google thing, their YouTube thing? I don't think so. Why? They are in the map. They are really in the map. Like Google will ask them to help them. Like if Google here, like, do you see this? Where's MetLife? Let me come on, give me MetLife. If I want somebody to help me, like here's Google, and I want somebody to help me, and you said, come on, Okay, okay. Do you see this? And okay, I'm Google. Somebody to help me. Who's Miss Life? Can you help me with your marketing team, with your agents? But yeah, they will help me. These people here will help me as Google, as YouTube. They are here. This is just like this area here. What do you mean? Well, I mean, here's the map, and here's the teams, and it's commission. Wow, what was the idea? This version here. The truth is in search engine optimization. No, it's not. No, it's not. Where's the truth? On the map. Here's the map. Do you see Google? They created a map to reach that truth. You see the truth? Here's the truth. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, truth, people. You're giving me this ass now. How am I going to zoom out? Okay, here's the truth. Here's Google know the truth. Did you see what they did? They created a map. And it's painful truth, to be honest. Like, this is a painful truth. This is really painful truth. You see the zoom in, zoom out? Oh boy, that was a hard lesson. This zoom in, zoom out. Do you see this? Boy. Do you see this thing? You see the 20 feet thing here? This is impossible. This is impossible. This is impossible. Like, this is the truth. Like this, like 20 years from today, like Bill Gates, listen. Here's Bill Gates, listen. Computer in every, like computer in the home. To do what with that computer? Computer in any home, and a map. Like they can zoom in, zoom out, and they can see locations like that. You see this? I believe IBM at that point will say, like leadership, will say, this one, okay, just give him $5 and let him go. Okay, it's $5. He really need money, man. Here's the level like me about computer for every home, and it's at that thing. You see, I understand faith. I understand, okay, with visualizing and everything. But this one, he said zoom in, zoom out, looking at that, like, okay, and there was that one Steve thing, because on a mobile, like a telephone and mobile, okay, put them together, send them to Mexico, okay, give them anything, bring hookers, they will be happy today. Zoom out, like I don't know. Bring hookers to them. Why? These people, like, they are using their head. It's really hot up there, but they didn't feel it. Send them hookers. Send them to Las Vegas. Boy. This is the truth. What is the truth? Well, people, where's the people are located? They are located on the map. Where's the people? Here's the people. Okay, where's the new people? Here's the old people, and there's the new people. Where's the new people? I can't find them here in China. Where? This, you can find people from anywhere. You see this map here, this location, this zooming thing, and the work that Chinese they do to bring new people to this road. Okay, here's this road. Invite people to this location, huh? Invite your friends. This thing here, this image here, what is this satellite thing? He's looking to our, is this Earth? These are cities. What is this? This is a city. Wow. Wow, this is the old, like this is agriculture. Tudonology. I don't know why is this. Unbelievable location. Do you see this? This is an agriculture. What? This is food. Unbelievable. Did you see the truth here? It's not in the search engine. Did you see that truth? Here's the truth. These people here. This is the truth. Okay, he said search engine optimization. Like there's somebody here is typing and searching. Really? Google? Really? No. These people here will use Baidu. Why? Baidu allowed to render their services and their help. It's not a place of research in internet and research entities. Anybody, anyone. No. This is people making living from it. It's not a joke. Well, I don't know, man. It's not a basic. It's not a funding. It's not this a human being. That's what he had. Nothing else. Oh, we don't care. We don't give a shit. Yeah, you didn't give a shit to Facebook level. You didn't give a shit to Google level. You didn't give a shit on any level. Yeah, while your basic is continuing and will continue, you don't give a shit. Yes, that's true. Yeah. Wow, this is Earth. Boy. Space. Boy. This is real, like this thing. Now, if you want to learn more truth, like let me have this. Do you see this? This is not like if I'm going to watch this here, this is planet going very fast. It's not like, do you see this stop thing? No, this thing here very fast. This star here going very fast in space. This one going very fast in space. Do you see this galaxy? This complete galaxy, this one here going very fast in space. Unbelievable speed. Boy, it's night. Where's the sun here? What is this area here? No. Oh, me turning the earth thing. Yep. Yeah, I have that choice. Yeah. This is unbelievable. This is the one who did have this idea is and access to the public. Here's some alien here. Boy, do you see the stars? Boy, this is imagination. Unbelievable. And there's something here they're saying, I don't care. Oh, you can fly with it, like you can fly. See the sun. Can I zoom into the sun? Can I zoom into the sun? Like here's the sun. No, Mercury. Here's Mercury. Yeah, I said at some point I should CK editor as editor for Alibaba. This thing here. Okay, where's the manufacturers? Here's an idea. That's Mercury. Do you see this thing here being added with? There's Mercury. Did it call that Mercury? Is Mercury? Is this Mercury? Like, what did you call it? Like, did it add some information here? Come on, don't tell me you did find some aliens. This one here, like Shakespeare. Like, Who care about this stupid head to call him like Mercury? He's dead. How do you suggest to call this location like diameter is 399? Nothing. Shakespeare, and this one. Who's this? And this one, like, this is Buddha, and this one, Carlos. Caloris Montiers, Odin Bantalia. Like, do you know after your death and everything, Mr. Shakespeare? Do you know Mercury? Do you know Mercury? We did call his 400 kilometers in your name. Like if he was alive, like you, I hate his smell. Maybe like I don't know. Maybe he smelled like, Shakespeare. Come on, bad. Stop that. Water invention. What is water invention? I do write poetry. What if he smell? Would you? Boy, this is Mercury. Do you see, by the way, how they did this? All of this, boy. Image per image. The zoom in and the zoom out thing. This 500 mile. Here's Earth. Just get back to Earth. Boy, back to Earth. Is this the animation? Amazing animation. How they did do this? Boy. How? This is JavaScript. All of this is JavaScript. But the request, you see, zooming in and zooming out, this thing here, how? Is this an HTML page? Yes. Oh, I hate it. Yeah, I'm trying to have right click here. No, just on left click. Yeah. How? This is an image. Like this is like the last 2,000 mile away. This is an image. The next one, another image. Like pixels. Like here's an image. Let me draw something. Here's an image. Okay, here's the biggest image, right? Good. Now, can you do this here? Can you do this? And this? Yeah. Control and C, Control and V. Like Control and C. Can I do this again? No. Here's this. Control and C. Yeah. This is the theory only. Where's that? Blah blah blah. Control and Z. Okay. Now this is zoom in. I said that. Yeah. Thank you very much. Control and V. So this is the zoom in thing. Okay. Now let's say that I'm zooming here in the middle, right? Here's this thing. Good. If you said, okay, I'm going to zoom in a little bit, get back. I'm going to zoom in this thing, right? This becoming what? Here's another zoom in. Here's another zoom in. Okay, this becoming this. Okay, so here's a picture and here's a picture. If I started to zoom in here, this picture is like this thing is being. Do you get the idea? Yep. So in other words, this thing here, see, here's the earth in the middle until the point I reach this. Do you see like it's not clear, starting to get it clear a little bit until I reach how many? Boy, this is like if you said search. No, this is the truth. It's the truth. If you said search engine, no, this is the truth, people. Here's view. And if you said, okay, here's a web page, and here's a web page, and here's a map. Well, I will say, why is this? Is it Brazil? No, United States. What is she, Brazil? If you said here's the truth, okay, well, there's other systems that will allow you to see the truth. Other systems. Other, I didn't say anything, I said other. Boy, this speech, like, unbelievable. That will be the truth. Here, like, do you see this? Let me, come on. Oh, here it is. No. Where's that? Yeah, this is in the pictures in the movies, and even in the videos. Boy, this is the truth. There's Hawaii, by the way. Like, okay, there's Hawaii, and they really like the money. Do you see this? Like, it's the beach, and it's normal, and I don't believe that he's a supermarket here. Boy, he's a drug dealer. No, I don't know. Boy, this is nice. Like, this is nice. Here's boats. Boy, this is the truth. And here, you can, like, if you live beside the beach, you have the luxury to say anything. Okay, but beside this beach, like, you will say anything, and anything you say is right. Why? It's Brazil. They speak another language, and you are the only one who's speaking this language, maybe, or other type of languages. Boy, why is this? He be blah blah blah. He have a coffee. This is a coffee shop, right? Beer? No drinking. Coffee? Do you have coffee? Yeah, he have hot water, and he have Nescafe. Yeah, you can do that. Two reviews. You have two reviews. Now let me show you the truth. Now here's the truth. See the review here? That is the truth. But from where? From here. Okay, thank you for watching. I don't know what to call this thing. What is this? Why is this? Let me see. Why is this? I said. Website is an idea. Website is an idea. That's it. I would say, like, website is an idea. An idea. You can define it as, okay, it's an idea, then that idea is, like, you can describe it that website is an idea, and you can say, okay, academic have an idea, professional, this is it. Like, why this here? Why? Website is an idea, a collection of ideas, like, or this idea, I'm looking for this idea. Website is an idea also. Thank you for watching. And this is amazing idea. This is a website. This is good idea. I see this. This is a good idea. Unbelievable. See, you can't look, for example, here's Alibaba, okay? And Alibaba, he have these ideas and he have that, okay? But you can't reach this level of like silence. There's something here. Do you see this? This is Earth, and it's just an image, like a collection of images. The amount of images here, there's a lot, and you can say moon. Here's the moon. Aim to the moon because you will end up between the stars. Who's this one? Some old one. Aim to the moon, you will end up between the stars. Like, Well, come on, stop annoying. Like, why is this? Aim to the moon. Why would I aim to the moon? I will aim to the Biwa. Why? Aim to the moon, you will end up between the stars. Like, it means something. Like, it's the moon. Like, why would I? Oh, well, everybody aimed. They see this. A lot of people did. Like, a lot of things did aim to the moon. Like, what he did to people, or why he did to be aimed at. Can you leave me alone? This is the moon. No, there's a line. This is not true image. There's something here. Now there's missing. There's something missing in the moon. Like, these pictures are not. Maybe the clearness, like, I don't know. But no. There's something clear that this moon was in two halves. Like, it is two halves. No, this moon image is not. No, you can have it with a normal camera, like, or a normal telescope. You can see that thing. Where's that thing? There's something in the moon in the two halves. This was two halves, like, and there was melting, like, this thing here, maybe. I don't know. This thing here. No, not this thing. You see, this moon picture is a little bit hidden. There's something. Why you are doing this? Why Google you did? Listen, there's things and there's things. There's something with these pictures. There's something in this picture. It's not clear. Let me ask it again. Can I ask it? Someone in the team moon doesn't want you to see something. This is two, like, this one was in two half. Like, it is in two half. Like, there's a half. A location. I don't know where it is. I'm not a moon thing. Into moon, like, here's the moon and it's 2 hours. It's really no. There's like, if you said, okay, the point of, okay, here's a creator, like, that's it. There's a creator. To me, like, if you said creator, hold it. There's a creator. You see this? There's a creator. The speed, the creator. Okay, but there's the bullshit. There's a creator and there's the bull. Like, if somebody who content box, blah blah blah, creator. No. This is yours. Keep it to yourself. And this is creator. This is done by creator. Yeah. But to the outside, to the map, to the real map, and look. Okay, this is creator. To the level of, okay, here's plants here, like, all of this with the same water and different output. Like, here's a tree, here's orange tree, here's an apple tree. You will put water and shit, and this will give you orange and this will give you apple. Unbelievable. There's something. Who did he created this water and who did he created both of these? What's the architecture of this? Sky, blah blah blah. There's the planet going very fast. It's not an easy. Who's the driver? Some people lost their minds. No, I'm not gonna continue. You, like, here's this. Somebody lost their mind. Some people who said no. Some people said yes. Some people lose their mind. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm not gonna speak anything. Why? Because this is a really serious subject. Not an easy. It's called imagination. Like, here's the level of imagination, and the imagination level. This is beautiful. This is amazing, wonderful. Enjoy it. That's what I'm saying. Wow. space station. Another space. No. Space, like. No. Like, why? What if somebody that spent his life in space and I'm going to say something now? No, I'm not going to say. Well, he said that. He said when he did look to the map and the map from the space, he said astronauts. Like, I didn't like it. Like, astronaut. Yeah. Like, what do you like? ITV? Like, no, but not an astronaut. What do you do in life? Jumping in the space? What? Like, no. Like, if they did ask you when you were a kid, astronaut? Yeah, you say yes, but now you are grown up. Grow up. Be a man. And what? Like, yeah, no. Astronaut. No. Boy. Like, I do see this view every day. Okay, but you said, like, when you say, what do you do? Not clear, like, how you do that? Like, you push, like, what? It's in bags. Okay? Yeah, it's in bags. So why, what that, like he's an African and he's you. Okay? We have to help the African and we have to help you. It's a point of view, like, yeah. Both, you, yeah, like, both, like, okay, water system. Okay? Pipe systems. Look, we have pipe systems. Yeah, I don't know. It's like I said it over and over, Brazil, and you see this, like, state of Rio Diaz, this thing. Nah, this is amazing. They are happy people, like, he's an astronaut and he's Brazilian. Okay, who's happier? Like, this one, he will have, like, he will walk from here, smell the earth, and smell the ground, and smell everything, and that one here, like, what do you smell? Like, what do you look around you? It's black. It's really black. Like, if you did look around you here, like, the only thing with light is this location. This one have light. The other thing, like stars, and you can see in front of your eyes. If you're in front of your hand, you can't see it. And I have to look at. It's dark. Outside this earth, it's really dark. Unbelievable dark. Like, it's really dark. It's not just, okay, it's night and I can walk. No, it's complete darkness. And it's going so fast. And this sound, boy, it's fast. But where's the sound? It's pulses. You will feel it in your bone. It's pulses. Like, he's a pulsar. Some of these stars are pulsars. Like, listen, sound, bone, blah blah blah. What? Earth, air. And outside, what is going to happen? You will feel it in your bone. Here's my bone. Like, here, what is happening? Like, yes, you have that. You feel that. But outside, you see these locations. The location of some of these stars, 5 mil. I don't know how to describe. Inch is a disaster to this earth. An inch is a disaster to this earth. Why is this? Cuba, Gulf of Mexico. Better than. Why is this? This is Mexico. This is the United States. Why is this? Look like this. Gulf of Mexico. It's Mexico and the United States. Louisiana, Texas. Yeah, Houston. Like we have Florida, the Bahamas. See the. Oh, this is a little bit. No, what side? It's unbelievable picture. Wow. It's really, really, really amazing. See this? This is on Earth. The Bahamas. Yeah, but not like Brazil. It's beautiful. This is really, really, really beautiful. See this. This is really beautiful. Okay, now this is the truth. This is the truth. I believe this is the truth. not the Google search engine thing. No, just the truth. If you did catch a customer here, that would be the amazing truth. Like, here's a customer, that's it. There's a good customer, there's a toxic customer. What I'm going to do with a CEO with a toxic customer? $5? This is Cuba, Venezuela, Guatemala, and there's Guatemala. Piece of. Who would? Do you see the beauty around that? Who would fuck this thing? Do you see United States? Who would damage this thing? The white man. And who would damage this Guatemala thing? The white man. Colombia. The white. Ecuador. This is. You have a very, 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 very well cartoon thing. Ecuador. Where's the castle? Where's the luxury thing? Huh? Where's the teacher map? Ecuador. There's some teacher map here. Where it is? Should be it's Ecuador. Like they provide like souvenirs, accessories, exporting thing. Okay, visit it. No, not interested. Come on. Tell Alibaba, like, they don't have that thing. Like, just tell yourself, have an account. I don't know, man. Like, you don't have an account. Like, no. Try create one. Mars, fourth planet from the sun. Fourth planet? Why? Fourth planet from the sun. So what's the third? It's the Earth. First, second, third, space station, moon, Mars. I was going to say Mars, but I said Mars. That's one interesting. What is this? Io. Europa, smallest of the four galaxies. What is this thing, man? The book to change. As I remember, like the book did change, man. Like, there's some new things in this space. There's a different book that different than this, like the school thing and this thing. It is different. Okay, what did I call this video? I don't know what did I call this video. Well, I said imagination. I said upside is an idea. Upside is an idea. Upside is an idea. Is an idea. Thank you for watching. Have a great rest of the day. Bye.